guys, good morning, and today I'm just gonna show you guys a little self-care routine. So I put in some oil yesterday and I very briefly washed my hair. You guys can see it's still a little oily. Alright guys, so I'm gonna first things first clip my hair. Okay, now we're ready. I'm gonna very quickly show you guys. I think we're ready now. I'm gonna quickly wash my face. And I washed my face and now I'm gonna apply my cleanser. Apply it in circular motions. So ideally, anytime you apply your moisturizer, your serum, well, serum you need to dab so much, your cleanser, you want to try and gently massage your face and your neck. Guys, don't leave your neck out of this entire equation. It is supremely important. Your lips. For me, this is my problem area. My T-zone not so much, but my pores, so my cheeks. So you guys can see the cleanser has seeped into the skin. And now I'm going to quickly show you guys my routine when it comes to what I apply in the morning, what are the different things that I keep trying and playing with my skin. I'm back. So firstly, I'm gonna go ahead with a daily booster. This is something new that I'm trying. You guys can see it's like a dollop that I've taken. This is not like a serum. It's extremely lightweight. It's basically a facial booster. Apply it everywhere. And again, you see what I'm talking about when I say I go in certain, but I'm not going very hard into the skin, yeah? I'm just going very mild with soft hands. And then I'm going with a pore minimizer. Pore minimizer. So you guys can see my pores, right? So you see. And finally, this is something from one of these brands that I wanted to bring on board, but I think they're coming to the UAE on their own. I've heard some really good reviews about them, so I've tried some of their products. But today I'm trying I've been using their turmeric sticks. I don't know what's up with my pronunciations today. I'm trying the turmeric stick only on my spots. Guys, I don't know if you can see, but see, I have a mark here. Yeah, so that's how I would apply it. I'm sure you guys can see this yellow residue. So that's from this. I actually need to open an eye cream as well. I've been getting a lot of dark circles because I haven't been sleeping for my usual time. And today I've not applied any toner as yet because I have started a midday routine. So I try and tone midday and in the mornings, in the night, because I feel like it's the most effective for me then. Also, fun fact, I have this body mist that I had got much before I started Beauty Veg and stuff. And what it has is jasmine and rose. Okay, but oof, it smells amazing. But it's now got some residue oil. I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah. So I realized that when I did the last pump, I realized only the oil was coming. So now I'm going to use this oil as a moisturizer at night. Finally, gonna moisturize my lips with this. It's a pure olive oil, only olive oil lip balm. I picked this up from Bali. Hi guys, so here you can see how my skin is looking after my morning session. I don't know why my eyes go all like. I'm taking a cotton pad and I'm gonna put in my toner. Okay, one more. Okay, you've seen. So you see I've got my toner in and I'm gonna wipe. Now I know you guys must be wondering that I've put in the oil and stuff in the morning, so why am I? Because I can feel that my skin has been getting really polluted recently. So I know I should have had the oil in for longer, but I've also got the turmeric stick on, which technically you can keep overnight. But I just I'm trying a few different things, honestly. And this is not just the turmeric oil. I'm telling you, I don't know, despite being at home, my skin has just been not feeling great. Now, I could have also done the toner in the morning, to be honest, and seen how it kind of pans out. But let's see. Only with trial and error can you really figure out what's good for your skin. So I'm not going to be applying any lotion, any cream right now. I'm just going to simply rinse some water onto my face and let it just seep into the skin. Hi guys. So as we were editing, I realized that I forgot to record an ending for the skincare video. So I thought I'd quickly kind of close on it and hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Of course, it's a very amateurish video right now. We're still figuring the best way and the setup, and hopefully in the coming videos you will see a better setup where you can see the different products that I've used and the ones that I recommend for different skin types, be it skincare, hair, makeup, etc. So hopefully you guys are gonna see that in the coming few videos. But until then, I kind of just wanted to take this minute and also tell you guys that you want to try and definitely be very clear about the products that you're using. Don't just use any products that anybody's handing over to you or that people suggest or that you buy off during sales and discounts. I mean, it's great to save money and you should be very, very careful about, not over splurging, because a lot of people buy too many things when it comes to skincare, and then of course you can't use it for, a very long period of time. So try and understand your skin, do a little bit of trial and error. Don't be too scared, but you cannot be scared when you use clean products. This is why these are the benefits of using products that are organic, vegan, and definitely cruelty free, because at some point you also want to be a little conscious about the products that you're using, instead of simply being someone who's just picking up things based on a recommendation or a promotion. So figure out what's working for your skin. There are a lot of people who break out because of extremely organic products, because there are certain botanical oils that don't suit you. and that's okay, because there are also so many other products that have different ingredients. So I'm actually gonna do another video talking about how to read your ingredients. It's not complicated, but just a very simple good ingredients, bad ingredients, what works for you, what couldn't work for you, and what you should probably do instead, that kind of a thing. I'm no expert. It's not like, I've been, into this for years, but yes, I have spent a good amount of time trying to understand, talking to people, and I've gone through like my own journey with my skin. I've always suffered from a lot of acne as a kid. And in my growing years, I've had a lot of hormonal problems. I've constantly been suffering from PCOD. So I understand what it means to have, issues when it comes to facial hair, acne, blackheads, oily skin, all of those things. And then, of course, your food, which has an extremely important role to play. So I hope through these videos I'm able to share a little bit with you that you find interesting and helpful, and hopefully in my coming videos I'm able to share better information in a space that is a lot more clear and where you can see all my different products. Until then, talk to you guys soon and have a great week. Bye. Also, sorry, before that, please do not forget to subscribe. Subscribe, like this video, and of course, please share this with your loved ones, or anyone who you think would find it interesting. We're really trying to get across, good content for you, things that are interesting, and I'm trying to be as real and raw as possible. The clothes that I wear at my house, the way my house is. You guys have been seeing things as they are. It's no studio. We don't have team of people doing it. It's me just recording this for you guys and hoping that you'll enjoy what we have. So talk to you all soon. Bye.